Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you this new stitch. I really like it very much. It's just a puff stitch, like a puff stitch, but it's really different and looks nice. You can use it on your scarf or maybe beanie, maybe child cardigans. You can use different color here if you want. Now I will show you. I will use this yarn. It's acrylic and wool together, and I will use a 4mm crochet hook. If you are ready, just please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's start. I will start with a slip knot and then chain an odd number. It's not important how many chain you have, but start with an odd number. Let me see. I have 11 chain and skip that first chain. Starting from the second chain, make single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Just chain 3, turn your work. We will skip that first stitch and make a double crochet into that second stitch. Now yarn over. Just wait a minute. Okay. Yarn over, insert your hook around this double crochet. Take yarn and pull it like that. Yarn over again, make it one more time. Yarn over again and make it again. Yarn over and pull it through from the 6th loop you have and left that one. Just take the yarn and complete here. Take a yarn, skip that single crochet and make a double crochet here. We will make it again. Just yarn over around this double crochet, take a yarn again. That's second and that's third one. Just take a yarn and pull it through from that 6th loop. Take yarn and pull it from this bottom loop. Skip that one, make a double crochet. I will make one more time. Skip that one, make a double and make it one last time. I will skip this one and make a double crochet into last single crochet side. Now chain 1 and turn your work. Now we will make single crochets. Just insert your hook from first stitch and make a single crochet. Just keep doing like that. Make single crochets all the stitches you have. I have 6, 7, 8, 9, and I will make one more here into that third chain, into this turning chain. Chain 3, turn, and we will make it again. Just skip this one, make a double crochet, make a puff around this double crochet, skip that single crochet and make a double crochet. I can end. I'll skip this and make a double crochet here, chain 1, turn, and make single crochets. We will just keep doing this 2 row as we want. As you see, it's easy and it looks really nice. I hope you like it. I'll wait for your comments, and you can reach me on my Instagram address Silins Crochet anytime you want. Thanks for watching me. That's it for today, and hope to see you again. Have a nice day.